Hey everyone, it's Trisha here from Passive Income Today. I've just returned after an 8-month break and I'm really looking forward to getting back into this channel and providing you with new content for ThriveCart and building an online business. And since I've had this break, I've also signed up to a new partnership with a company called Siteable. Siteable offer easy to build DIY websites. If you want to build a website to get online visibility with Google, build your search engine optimization, or if you simply want to promote a cause or a charity or for your online business to be able to be seen by your customers, this is a great product that will help you. So over the next few weeks and few months, I'll be sharing a number of videos and free tutorials that you can use to check out the product and decide if it's something that you might like to use. I've been using Siteable myself for other businesses for about 5 years and I've had a great experience. So I'm really excited to be able to introduce it to you. But as you know, I'm also a very big advocate for ThriveCart, the online e-commerce software that lets you sell digital products online. So with ThriveCart, I'll be going through some new updates to this software, some more tutorials to help you and troubleshoot some of the issues that you've been having. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, but watch this space and stay subscribed to be a part of this community, which I'm very proud to be here and to help you. Thank you and have a great day.